Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, sir.
What's your full name?
My full name is Harshad Soni M.
What is your qualification?
I completed my 12th in 2023. I am learning English speaking now at LX classes.
Tell me about your family background.
There are four members in my family. My grandfather name is Chaganbhai and my grandmother name is Lakshmi. She is farmer. My mother name is Mitali and she is housewife.
Where do you live?
I am living in a small village. Its name is Siasan and it's situated in Sabarkantha district.
Can you tell me something about your village?
Its name is Siasan. It is very small and beautiful village. It is surrounded by mountains and rivers.
So, your village must be beautiful.
Yes.
What is your daily routine nowadays?
I get up at 5 a.m. Then brush my teeth. Then I take my bath. Then I go to English speaking classes. Then I come back at 12 p.m. Then I take my lunch. Then I go for running. Then I take my dinner. Then I sleep at 10 p.m.
Do you want to go foreign?
Yes, I want to go for it because there are so many opportunities to get high paying jobs.
Okay. Tell me about your hobbies.
I like to travel and I'm fond of bike riding.
You are fond of riding bikes.
Yes.
That's great. Can you tell me about your best friend?
Yes, when I was in class 12th, I met a wonderful person. His name is Chirag. His nature is very kind. He is very good-hearted person. He was very helpful for other students and for me.
Helpful to other students. What is your future plan?
My future plan is get cybersecurity job with high paying job.
Very good. Deming. You're there with Deming. Okay. Since when did you join the LX classes?
I joined 2 months ago.
Did you get any improvement in English after joining this class?
Very much improvement.
Can you speak English now?
I can speak English now.
Very good. Okay, all the best for your future.